of Ronald and the Tic Tic bird.
Hello?
Oh, hi, Lucy.
Hi, Boris. What are we queuing for?
Here, take my place. You'll soon find out.
Hello, Lucy. What's your problem then?
Problem?
Yes? I sometimes work as an agony ostrich, you know.
An agony ostrich?
Oh, yes. I help all sorts of animals with their problems. So what's your problem?
I haven't got a problem. I just want to hear a story.
Oh, well, I could take a break, I suppose, and try and find someone to tell you a story.
Couldn't you tell me one?
Maybe I could tell you the story of Ronald and the Tic Tic bird.
Oh, yes, that sounds good.
In Africa, where we used to live, each of us had a special best friend. Someone we liked, someone it was fun to be with. Natalie's best friend was Molly. Doris's best friend was Toby, the tortoise. And Giggle's best friend was Tickles, of course. Ronald the rhino had a best friend too, a little Tic-Tic bird. It was called Tic-Tic bird because it ate all the horrible little ticks which bothered Ronald, which meant that Ronald never got itchy and the Tic-Tic bird never went hungry. Ronald and the Tic-Tic bird were really made for each other.
That grass looks good, Ronald.
It is. How are the ticks today?
Very tasty, thanks.
It seemed nothing would ever come between the two friends. But then one day, something did. Though he'd never noticed it before, Ronald suddenly found that the Tic-Tic bird's whistling really annoyed him.
Must you always whistle the same tune?
Don't you like it?
Not when you whistle it all day, every day, over and over again.
I'm sorry. I didn't know it bothered you.
Meanwhile, the Tic-Tic bird had got fed up with Ronald's habit of bashing boulders.
Do you have to bash every boulder in sight?
I like bashing boulders.
No, Ronald, it's too big. Don't even think about it.
But Ronald couldn't resist. It was the biggest boulder he had ever seen.
So, you don't like my whistling? Well, I'll tell you what I don't like. I don't like you bashing boulders and me getting shaken to pieces every day. I think it might be a good idea if we went our own separate ways from now on.
Suits me. A good riddance.
It's horrible, isn't it?
The days went slowly by and there was no sign of Ronald and the Tic-Tic bird becoming friends again. In fact, they kept as far apart from each other as possible. The other animals were very sorry about what had happened and tried their best to help.
If you're looking for something to eat, why not try between my teeth?
Okay. I suppose I could take a look. On second thoughts, Victor, I prefer to eat in the open air, thank you very much.
Oh. Rotten ticks. They're everywhere today.
Great idea. Hey, Tic Tic, you get the ticks off my back, and I show you what it's like to really motor. Faster than that old rhino you used to hang out with, eh? Let's go!
I've never had an itch like this before. Oh, ouch!
You're looking a bit down today. Missing your friend?
Who, me? No?
Fancy giving me a clean? I suffer from the odd insect myself.
Oh, okay. What's up? What's the joke?
No, please. No, you'll have to stop. I'm too ticklish.
Really?
It looked as if the Tic-Tic bird would stay hungry and Ronald would stay itchy.
Horrible bugs, rotten ticks, stupid little insects.
Oh, hello, Ronald. Didn't see you there for a moment. What brings you here? Problems with your boulders?
No, my boulders are fine.
Yes?
It's the ticks. They're making me really itchy. They're driving me mad.
Oh, I thought you had a bird who helped you out with that.
Not anymore. There's just me, which is why I need help.
Well, don't worry. I know a friend who'd be just perfect for the job.
You do?
Yes. Make sure you're at the baobab tree at noon, and I'll arrange a meeting. Hello, Tic-Tic bird. How are you?
Okay. Oh, but I'm getting pretty hungry, and I really need a place to live. And I miss
Yes?
Oh, no one. Can you help?
I can, I suppose. But didn't you already have an animal who helped you out?
Not anymore.
I see. In that case, there's a friend I think you should meet. Can you be at the baobab tree by noon?
Uh-huh.
You always did whistle a good tune.
Thanks. Bashed any good boulders recently?
Oh, yes, one or two.
I'm here to meet a friend.
Me too. My friend is late.
Mine as well.
Oh.
Ticks?
Loads of them. I don't suppose,
I am feeling a bit peckish.
There was only one thing left bothering the two friends.
Oh, isn't that Audrey hopeless? She arranged for me to meet somebody, and they never showed up.
Me too. I had exactly the same thing happen. Can you believe it? She's just so unreliable. Calls herself an agony of strength.
Well done, Audrey. You made them friends again.
Yes, but I'd forgotten how every time I give advice it seems to get me into trouble. It's always the same.
Oh dear. Looks like we're not going to get any more advice tonight.
Except, I'd like to advise Lucy it's probably time for bed.
Yes, I am quite tired. I'm glad Ronald and the Tic-Tic bird are friends again, though, and I'm glad you're all my friends. Good night, everyone.
Good night, Lucy.
Good night.
Story of the Elephant Bird.
Hi, everyone. Hello? Anyone at home? It's Lucy. I've arrived.
Oh, that tickles.
Well, it serves you right. Anyone would think you didn't recognise me.
Well, you do look,
Yes?
Different?
Actually, Lucy, you look very grown up.
That's exactly what I was hoping you'd say. I want to look grown up. Grown-ups stay up late and boss people around.
Oh, yes, I know about that.
Don't blush, Lucy. Sometimes we all wish we were someone different.
Sometimes I wish I was Tickles because he knows all the best jokes.
And sometimes I wish I was as big and strong as Nelson.
And once, I wished I could fly like a bird.
Now you're making fun of me.
No, we're not.
It's true, it's true.
Nelson did want to be a bird.
It was a long time ago. but yes, I was a bird for a day. In fact, I still hold the long-distance flying record for elephants.
Really?
Go on, Molly. You tell the story.
All right, then. Nelson was always busy doing elephanty things. He was big and strong and helped the other animals.
Oh, no!
Nelson was so good at doing elephanty things that he got a bit bored.
Oh, this is all too easy. I need a new challenge.
And that's when Nelson spotted a weaver bird.
Oh, thanks.
What are you doing?
I'm making a nest. All birds have nests. They're nice and comfy to sleep in.
Could I build one?
I suppose so. It would have to be big.
That's okay. I've got all day.
So Nelson started to build a nest. Nelson liked his nest very much.
I want to be a bird.
His friend, the weaver bird, agreed to give Nelson a few lessons. First, the weaver bird showed Nelson how to flap his wings. Nelson didn't have wings to flap, so he flapped his ears instead. But that didn't work. Then the weaver bird told Nelson about feathers.
Feathers?
They help birds to fly. You need lots and lots of feathers. Here's one to get you started.
So Nelson borrowed a feather from each of his bird friends.
Ouch!
At last! I'm a bird! I'm a bird! I'm a...
Nelson thought he would never be able to fly.
Here, Nelson! Come and look at this!
It's a tree. I've seen one before.
This isn't just any old tree. This is a helicopter tree.
A helicopter tree?
Here, watch this.
The seed of the helicopter tree gave Nelson a brilliant idea.
What are you making, Nelson?
You'll see. What do you think of my helicopter blades?
But they're made out of banana leaves.
Give it a spin and then stand well back.
Be careful, Nelson.
Oh, I'm flying!
Well done, Nelson.
This is great! You get such a good view from up here. Hello, Audrey!
Oh, hello, Nelson.
Hello, Weaverbird!
But soon, Nelson began to take being a bird a bit too seriously. He tried to hatch some watermelons. Then he wanted to catch worms, just like the weaver bird. Only worms were a bit small for him. But snakes were just the right size for an elephant bird. Things got really bad when Nelson decided to try and beat the world long-distance flying record.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
I'm not an elephant anymore. I'm a bird now. I've practiced very hard. You'll see.
But it's very windy.
Ha! We birds don't mind a little breeze.
The wind caught Nelson and he flew high up into the air. Then the wind began to blow even stronger.
Oh, look out!
Dangerous flying, ignoring a traffic signal, failing to report an accident with a flamingo, and landing in a manner such as to endanger other animals.
Nelson realised that he wasn't really a very good bird. The animals felt sorry for Nelson and they thought of a plan to make him feel better again. Oh my, oh my, oh my! Oh dear! Oh my, oh my, oh my!
What's happening? What's going on down there?
A big boulder rolled right in front of King Snake's burrow. It's heavy and no one can lift it. I'm on my way for help.
I could move it.
No, you're a bird. Birds can't shift boulders.
No, I'm not. I'm an elephant. Oh, I feel better already.
Oh, 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 oh!
Thank you, Nelson.
Nelson was helping the others by doing things only an elephant can do. And he was happy again.
It's with great pleasure that I accept this award for long-distance flying. But I have decided that the sky is for the birds. From now on, I will be an elephant again.
All the animals were pleased to have back the old Nelson that they knew and loved.
That's amazing, Nelson. You actually learned to fly. Whee! I'm an elephant bird. But I like you much better as big, strong Nelson the elephant.
And we like you just the way you are.
Not too grown up.
Everybody's special.
Especially you.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, Lucy.